Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Today's topic, we're going to be taking a look at permutation. Okay, so welcome to DTW Tutorial. If this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorial is an educational channel that helps students, support students with JAM, WAEC, GC, post-UME, maths video tutorials to help them in their exam. Okay, we prepare students for the exam to ensure they pass their exams. Alright, so welcome. If this is your first time, please try to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button down there. Subscribe to support us to do more. Alright, welcome. So today's class, we're going to be taking a look at permutation. So what is permutation? Okay, so permutation deals with several possible ways in which a set or number of things can be ordered or arranged. It is important to note that permutation deals with what? Order. So in your JAM exams, when you see anything like, okay, what are the number possibles of ways to arrange a particular set of things, you would notice that the word arrange and permutation are always tag along. So in your exam, when you see arrange a particular set of things, it's talking about permutations, because in the JAM syllabus we have we have permutation and combination. While permutation deals with arrangement, combination deals with selection of some things from a set of things. Okay, so and it's also if the order doesn't matter, then we have what? Combination. If the order do matter, then we have permutation. So permutation deals with what? Order. Order matters in permutation, while in combination order doesn't what? Matter. Okay, so another thing we have to note with permutation is it relates to arrangement of items such as your seating arrangement. You see exam questions, and don't worry, in our next video I'm going to be taking JAM past questions on permutation, from several years, for you to understand it better. Okay, so it deals with like seating arrangement, like how many people can be sat on a round table, standing arrangement, in how many ways can so number of people stand in a particular position, lining arrangement, ways of movement. Okay, when you see these particular words in your exam, you should know it is relating to what? Permutation. Okay, but the major thing you look at is what? Arrange. The word arrange. And also note that permutation involves what? Formation of what? Digits. When you are told to form a digit from a particular set of digits, it's also what? Permutation. And placement of objects. Okay, so two things you have to know with permutation is what? It deals with order and arrangement. Okay, so when you are arranging it in a particular word order. All right, so let me give you some examples here. Now you can be told, how do we arrange this particular three people in two particular positions? All right, so that they are sitting. So how do we arrange these three people in two particular positions? That is what? Permutation. Okay, another example is, now you can see this Super Eagles squad of 1998 with our stars here: Kanu, Taribo West, and Olise, Sunday Olise, and JJ Okocha. So there can be a question on how to arrange these four stars in this particular, how to arrange four of them. How many are there? This 11-man squad. How to arrange them in four particular positions. So this is what permutation is about. Okay, so let's go forward to know the formula of permutation. Now, the number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time is determined by this formula, where n factorial is equal to what? N bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 dot. Okay, so this is how you find n factorial. Okay, and let's say, for example, if we are told to arrange two elements from 3. Okay, we are told to arrange two elements from a set of 3. Okay, from a set of what? 3. Okay, so how do we do this? So this is going to be what? 3 permutation 2. Okay, so where we'll have what? 3 factorial over what? 3 minus what? 2 factorial. okay, from this what formula, okay, where this is n and this is what r. All right, so in doing this we have what 3 factorial over 3 minus 2, that's 1, and 1 factorial is still 1. So we have what 3 times what 2 times 1, and our answer is what 6. Okay, so this is how you look for what permutations when you are given questions. Don't worry, in our next video I'm going to be showing several past questions from JAMB. Okay, now another thing we can get is, okay, if we're told to what arrange, for example, we're told to arrange the words letters. Okay, how do we arrange this? Now you will note that there are some letters that have been what repeated. So in how many ways can we arrange this word? And some letters are repeated. So all you need to do is, what's the total number of letters? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write our total number of letters here. Total number of letters. Okay, let me put total number of let's say word is equal to what 7. It's supposed to be letters, okay? And what's the total number of T? T we have what 2, and what else again? We have E. E is repeated how many times? 3 times. 2 times. That's 1, 2. T is repeated 2 times. So we have what 2. So 2. So how do we find this? The permutation of this particular word is simply what? What's the total number of words? 7 factorial. That is our n. And we have 2 letters repeated. So we have what? 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So here we have what? 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. So when we cancel out this, 2 here 1, 2 here what 2. So when we multiply this all, we have 7 times 6 times 5 times 2 times 3, and we're going to get what 1, 2, 6, 0. Okay, so this is a simple way of solving what's permutation. Just note this formula, let this formula be at what the back of your mind. Okay, so in our next video we're going to be taking several past questions on permutation, okay, from our JAMB syllabus, from our formal JAMB exams. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned to today's math class. See you in our next video class, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.